anymore. But I think I'm going to use it to do one last little science experiment. Okie dokie. If my predictions are correct, this plastic should melt fairly quickly, and maybe the paper inside will catch fire. Alright, time some. Whoa. Cool. Wow. It's started to liquefy before we even got smoke. That doesn't happen very often. Camera's not picking it up very well, but there's definitely lots of smoke coming off this thing. And it's inflating like a big bubble. And it's awesome. About 3 minutes in, looks like that bubble is about to drip off. That bubble is paper thin, the wind's starting to make it move around. It looks like we got like 2 drips now on the bottom there. There we go. There's some smoke for you. You got lots of smoke coming out of the ends. In fact, I think that periodic table in there is starting to turn a bit brown. Oh yes, yes. The paper inside has got a hole burned through it. If we get flame anytime soon, I'm going to be very, very happy. Although it occurs to me that it'll be really hard for flame to form in a confined area like that with no oxygen supply. We got another second bubble forming down there out of the focus. I wonder what's causing that. Whoa, yes, and the bubble has burst. This is one experiment that definitely is not good for my lungs. Should have bought a gas mask. Bits of paper are getting trapped in the molten plastic. That's interesting. Sort of. 11 minutes in. Wondering how long I should leave this for. Most smoke I've gotten out of anything since I burned that tennis ball, which I did not get on film. Sorry about that, but trust me, it was an awesome experiment with lots of smoke. Look at all that massive damage. Metal thing that holds in the papers has been exposed there, and it seems there's some kind of damage on that side. But anyway, yeah, most of these papers are severely charred. I don't think we're gonna get flame though. If we were gonna get flame, it would have happened already by now. Pretty well destroyed, but it could be more destroyed. You see that? Its shadow is covering up a big chunk of the mirrors. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at least 8 of them there are completely covered up by the shadow. So, unfortunately, there's no way to get around that obstacle. So I think I'm going to call the experiment over. Let's see what we got. Wow. That is quite a lot of destruction. There's still smoke coming off of it. Excellent. As you can see, the binder was bigger than the focal area of the death ray, so the destruction's confined like to this quarter of it. Anyway, that is pretty darn awesome. I call this experiment a success.